If you want your Google Ads to perform better, understanding and mastering Google Ad extensions is key. Ad extensions are additional pieces of information that show alongside your main ad text, and they can dramatically improve click-through rates, ad relevance, and overall performance. According to Google's official ads documentation and marketing experts, properly using ad extensions can make your ads more visible, engaging, and useful to potential customers. There are several types of extensions you should focus on. Sitelink extensions allow you to link directly to specific pages on your website, giving users shortcuts to the content they care about. Callout extensions highlight unique selling points or promotions, such as free shipping or 24/7 support, which can make your ad stand out. Structured snippet extensions let you showcase specific aspects of your products or services, like features, waterproof, lightweight, durable. Another powerful tool is call extensions, which add a clickable phone number to your ad. This is particularly useful for mobile users and service-based businesses that rely on calls for leads. Similarly, location extensions display your business address and a map link, which is essential for local businesses wanting to drive foot traffic. Price extensions and promotion extensions can also help communicate special offers or pricing details right in the ad, increasing user engagement and conversions. To master Google Ad extensions, you need to strategically combine multiple extensions that complement each other. Don't just add every extension available. Focus on the ones that enhance your ad goals and resonate with your target audience. Google Ads provides analytics to track which extensions improve click-through rates and conversions, so use that data to optimize continuously. Finally, pay attention to formatting and mobile compatibility. Some extensions perform better on mobile, others on desktop, so testing is crucial. According to marketing guides from Google Ads experts, constantly reviewing performance and making iterative improvements is the best way to fully leverage ad extensions. In short, mastering Google Ad extensions means understanding the types available, site links, callouts, structured snippets, calls, locations, prices, and promotions, strategically using them in combination, and continuously optimizing based on performance. Done right, they can significantly boost your ad visibility, engagement, and return on investment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe for more digital marketing tips, and comment below which ad extension you want to focus on first in your campaigns.